Now, what's important is the setup of the cones. Right now I have my cones at 4 yards apart. As long as it makes a square, there's 4 yards on each side, but you can have them as narrow as 3 yards on each side or as wide as 10, depending on your preference. Now, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get started at the bottom left cone. Again, starting in an athletic position, nose, knees, and toes. We're gonna accelerate, linear acceleration. Once we get here, we're gonna drop and square it as well as we can. We really don't want to round this motion. We want to make it as square as possible, staying as tight around the cones as you can. Then we're going to do a lateral shuffle. Once we get past the cone, we're going to get into a back pedal. Notice nose, knees, toes. Once we get past the cone, another lateral shuffle to the left. This is where our wedge step comes in. Wedge step, crossover step, then acceleration through the cone. The biggest part of this drill is making sure that you do this under control. Stay as close as you can to the cones and make sure you make the turns as square as possible. Here's how it looks in a faster speed. Again, starting athletic, you can accelerate. Quick, crossover step,